Welcome to Sad Educare. Today's topic subtraction, and we will solve our question by using regrouping. Here is lots of question. First one, 51 subtract 13. Look, normal things. 3 minus 1 is a 2, but 1 minus 3 is not possible. This case we have to take 1/10 from 5. So this 1 will out, it will become 11, right? Why? Because we take 1 from this 5, so this one become 4. Now look, 11 minus 3, it will be 8. 4 minus 1, it will be 3. Very simple. Another practice. Here is 32 minus 19. 3, 2. 3 is a tens, 2 is a ones. Minus 19. 1 is tens, 9 is ones. So 2 is less than 9. So we need to sum thing. So these two we can add 1/10. So these two become 12, and these tens 3 become 2, because we already give 1 2 here. Okay, so 12 minus 9, it will be 3. 2 minus 1, it will be 1. It means 32 minus 19, it will be 13. And previous one, 51 minus 13, it will be 38. Another practice. Look, here is 95 minus 27. 9 is tens, 5 is 1. Minus 27. Now look, here ones digit 5 and 7. 5 is less than 7. So this 5 will become 15, right? And this 9 become 8, because we will add 1/10 with 5. So it will become 10 plus 5, it will be 15. So 15 minus 7, it will be 8, and 8 minus 2, it will be 6. It means 95 minus 27 will become 68. Okay, another example. Here is, suppose we can make, so this one done. Now we will make 93. So 9 is a tens and 3 is a ones. Minus 28. So 3 is less than 8, right? So this 3 become 13, and this 9 become 8. So 13 minus 8, it will be 5, and 8 minus 2, it will be what? 6. So 93 minus 28, it will be what? 65. So we are trying to solve 1 2 3 4 math. So we will try to practice another math. Like here is 84. 8 is a tens and 4 is a ones. Then minus 67. This 4 is less than 7. So we will take 1/10 from this 8. So this 4 will become 14, and this 8 become 7. So 14 minus 7, it will be 7. 7 minus 6, it will be 1. Very simple. So here is what? 17. So we are trying to solve 5 math for our practice. This is your homework. Here is lots of math is not complete. You should keep practice at home. take a screenshot of this question. Next video we will discuss balance unsolved question. Till then, take care, keep practice and be careful about regrouping. Okay, thank you very much for being with me. This is my channel Sad Educare. I hope everybody will subscribe my channel. Thank you.